I nailed it. We installed that antenna over there about 6 months ago. Body Corporate is unhappy with the fact that we went over the front of the building. So we went from the antenna down there. This PVC pipe has come loose, which we can fix, but they're not happy with us coming over the front, despite other antennas over there also being on the front of the building. So they want us to go through these roof tiles, except the roof tiles are a bit manky and we can't replace them. So we can't drill the roof tiles. So we have to see whether we can get in underneath the roof tile where the gutter is. How are we looking?
I haven't sealed it. Get underneath. I don't know where it goes, but you can get underneath there.
Run a cable so we can have replace that external cable. So we need to run a cable from that pole down here, in there, and then down to where their router is. That's going to take you most of the day. I'm worried getting from the warehouse to the office. I'm not sure there's a gap to get into that ceiling. That's the military hospital, left M3 Constantia. Nick's going to move all this stuff out there. And we can't open.
The empty boxes, eh?
Yeah, well, I don't want to crush the empty box. It goes down below this thing.
Okay.
So what's directly below here? Is it?
I think that's a toilet, eh? Is there nothing that punches through the wall at any point there?
Not that way, no.
It's only half depth if it is. So yes, it is. But we need to be
on top of this roof.
I reckon if you lift this tile, you will be under that decking on the other side. Oh.
So there's definitely a hole in the wall. Go through the floor upstairs into that decking area and through the floor. So you can actually see the hole coming down.
There we go.
And then the hole going through the wall. Okay, perfect.
Cool.
Awesome. You got your reach.
So what is your thought here again? You're not sure that a proper job was done last time?
The thing is, we were trying to do 2 installations at the same time. And we were distracting the guys going like, find a route through here. And putting them under pressure to get that other install done. And I just don't think the amount of mental focus was there. Plus, at the time, we were opening these orange ones. Where's the distribution point come through? Over here somewhere. But we were opening the orange trunking. But did the guys look at the silver one or the orange one?
Nothing comes down there into the coffee shop.
So if we're going to open stuff here, we're going to bring some PVC pipe and hacksaw. Because that's going to be fun.
Okay, let's go up to the shop and I'll show you where they are.
And then I can get you a coffee. Only reason he comes with me is because he gets my coffee. Zimbo 007. Oh, Zimbo 07.
No, but it's a 4.1.
Not the 6 litre. Although that's quite nice. Not every day you get paper cups in saucers. At least he got his coffee. Thank you. Okay, so for the 1 unit, we just need a power box. What do we decide? 960s or we can't get 760s?
Yeah.
Because we want to power the UAPs.
Okay, so 760, an edge router, or a 960, pick one.
Oh, are those wall boxes we couldn't find?
Yes.
Yeah, I found 2.
Where'd you find them?
On the shelf, in a container.
Really?
Yep. So you know when you said that we have wall boxes and I said we don't? You were right.
Nice weather.
Nice weather. So network cables we make use the B combination. White, orange, orange, white, green, blue, white, brown, brown. Is that right? White, orange, orange?
Orange, white, orange, green, white, green, blue, white, green, brown, white, brown.
That one. The black cable is UV stabilized and shielded, so it doesn't sort of deteriorate on the roof. The
And
connector,
it has a little earth strap.
so it's earthed, it's UV stabilized, it's shielded. The connectors are shielded. So generally, once we put up a cable like this, it won't need replacement for very many years. I'm calling you from the roof. We're going to cut your internet. It'll be down for about 5 minutes. Okay, good. Back in. Thanks, man. Cheers, back. Ooh, look at that. Oh, man, not onto me. Ach, nee. The hell, bro?
There he is.
Look at the size of those pincers.
Yeah. Can be a fucking long drop for you.
A long drop with a sudden stop. Uniform me, so it looks like I work in the videos too. So this is Andre's bag. Andre has this little hammer. One day when Andre grows up,
It's a perfect sized hammer.
buy like a real hammer.
Look at all.
Huh?
And that's probably not good for YouTube, is it? Hey! Now we've got conduit. And
We
the
do.
trunking at Westlake.
We do. We don't have to buy any. Nick left the manhole open for us. Do you think he left the manhole open for us, or do you think he just left the manhole open?
Just left the manhole open.
Okay, so cable replaced, ends put on, 2 site surveys done. Both of those installs are going to be next week, Monday, Tuesday, depending on how long they take. Tomorrow we're going to have to go buy stock. Hope somebody pays us so we can go buy stock.